Welcome to Ciudad Quesada and this truly exceptional detached villa. From the very first view, you can feel the space, privacy and character this home has to offer. Step inside and you're welcomed by a bright, open living space that feels instantly calm and luxurious. The layout flows beautifully through the lounge, dining area and modern kitchen, creating a home that is perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Everything feels light, spacious and thoughtfully designed. And out here, you get a lovely elevated view back across the pool and outside space. Back inside, the quality continues throughout. Clean contemporary lines, generous proportions and well-finished fixtures all come together to create a home that feels both stylish and comfortable. It's a property that balances elegance with practicality, and every space has been designed to be enjoyed. The bedrooms continue that same feeling of comfort and versatility. In total, this property offers 6 bedrooms, giving you fantastic flexibility for family, guests, working from home, or creating your own private retreat spaces. Each room feels bright and inviting, and the upper level also enjoys access to an outdoor terrace area. The bathrooms are equally impressive, with 4 in total across the property. And then, a real luxury feature, your own traditional wooden sauna. Downstairs, there's even more to discover in the basement level. Back outside, this home really comes into its own, with a stunning private pool, superb entertaining areas, and that amazing summer house completing something truly special. Set on an enclosed plot of around 1,400 square metres, this remarkable villa also offers a double garage, beautiful gardens and wonderful privacy, all within easy reach of local amenities, golf and the coast. If you've been searching for a standout home in Spain with space, personality and unforgettable features, this could be the one. Contact Welcome Estates today to arrange your viewing and experience this incredible Ciudad Quesada property for yourself.
Welcome Estates, your trusted partner for finding dream homes in Costa Blanca, Spain. Beautiful new build villas, seaside apartments and country fincas. Start your journey today at welcomeestates.com and let us find your perfect home.